Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Ipsy Glam Bag X. We're going to be unboxing this bad boy. This is in collaborations with Huda Beauty, so she picked some of her personal things that she loves and put it in the box, as well as some of her own products. If you guys want to know what I got in this box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so as always, I just quickly introduce myself to anyone new to my channel. So welcome, my name is Aisha. I do lots of unboxings on this channel. Everything from makeup subscription unboxes to makeup hauls to makeup mystery boxes. All of those fun things, all beauty related. If you like beauty content, then I would say subscribe to your girl's channel and become a part of my YouTube family. It would be greatly appreciated. And as always, if you want to show some support to the channel, just give me a lovely thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Alrighty guys, so this box is a whopping $50. So thank goodness it's not every single month we have to pay for this box. So let's see what it looks like when you open up the box. It looks like so. It has a little, ooh, this thing is heavy, a little cushion. And then this is your sneak peek. Sneak peek. Alrighty guys, so as always, they give you like a cool little newsletter that tells you about like who are they collaborating with. So this time it is Huda Katan. She is the CEO of Huda Beauty products. So this is what she looks like. And then they always show you like the products that you could have received. So this is a picture of like her pics of things that she likes to use. So it's not just things that's in her brand. And also, I guess these are more things that you could have got. All these pages here. Yeah, these are more things we could have received here. And a couple of more of her pics over here as well. So I like these boxes. I want to say like these tend to be like my favorite boxes. This month probably not so much this time around, because it was a lot of stuff that, you know, probably wouldn't have not been my choice. Like for example, now this would have been great had I not had this already, but I already have this already. I actually think I received this in BoxyCharm, I want to say. So is this the same size? Yes, this is the same size. It's just a different pink shade. But I already own this already. And I want to be honest and say, I'm lucky if I even used this once. I don't even recall using it. Does the battery still work with this? Because I've not even used it. It probably just died because I never used it. But yeah, it's not turning on. But now I have two of them. For something as expensive as this, I would say this should have been a choice, because that's how they say, oh, the value of the box is over blah, 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 blah. But it's like, this counts as like $100 worth of my stuff already, and the box just began, and I don't even really like enjoy that. Not that I'm complaining, because beggars can't be choosers with mystery boxes. Yes, this retails for $99, but it's just, I don't know, anything skincare related, I'm never too fond about getting. Somebody did say in one of the threads that I follow that they were like,
oh, well, you don't have to use it just for skincare. You can use it for other things too.
But it's a facial cleanser, so you're supposed to really use it for your face. If you read it, not a facial cleanser, a facial like cleaning device. It even says smart facial cleaning device. So that's the main thing you should be using it for. But I don't know, maybe I'll give this away in like my next giveaway. This is a nice pot. Yes, I'm gonna definitely give this away to somebody When I hit 2,000 subscribers, that giveaway is gonna be epic. So make sure you still are subscribing to your girl's channel so you won't miss out on that giveaway. But let's see what else I got. So I guess we'll do my choices first. So let me see here. Hold on, let's see what I chose. Okay, so I'm a little disappointed again because it says that I was supposed to get the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer. If you look in the picture, you can see that I was supposed to get this concealer. Sorry, I have my little prints all over my phone, so you probably can't see too well. But instead, they gave me the lashes, the mascara, which I mean, I don't mind because I wanted to try her mascara anyway. It's like a duo, one on each side mascara. I'm just not gonna open it because I have a lot of mascaras open already, but I was kind of looking forward to trying the concealer. But nevertheless, I haven't tried her mascaras yet, so now I have the mascara to try. The next thing I got is this palette. This was the choice that I picked. Yes, this was my choice, so I picked this because, of course, I'm going to pick the makeup stuff. You guys already know already. If you're like one of my subscribers, then you know I love makeup. Oh my gosh, guys, this palette is beautiful. Wow, wow, wow. Look at this palette, guys. I love like purpley colors, so your girl's definitely gonna get a lot of use out of this palette. This palette is actually more prettier in person than when you see it on like as one of the choices. Like they have a lot of sparkly. Like, let me get it closer so you guys can see. Like, look how pretty, guys. I'm super excited for this palette. So, very happy for that. The next thing I got, this was my choice, but I never know what I'm going to get in my Ipsy PR. So, I chose this lipstick because obviously I'm going to choose the makeup stuff. All the other stuff was like skincare, so I had to choose. Was all my choices makeup? Yes. If those were the only 3 makeup choices they gave me, and I just chose all 3 of them. But I didn't know I was going to get this in PR. I would have probably chose something else. It says, oh, is it the same color though? Let me see. I think it's the same color I have already. Yes, it is. So I got this literally the same color in PR, which I would have never known that I was going to get that from Ipsy, from PR. So they give you PR for the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus, but not for the X. So this I paid for myself. But now I have 2 of the same lipsticks, so I'll save this for, you know, more things to give away for when I hit 200 subscribers. So see, that's already 2 things that I have to give away. The next thing I got, which was my choice, was, it says Softening Lip Mask by Patrick Ta. I don't own anything from Patrick Ta. So let's see here. I love the packaging. This is cute. Let's smell it. Smells very like pepperminty. And it's called She's Juicy. So very happy for that. That'll be bougie by, you know, by my bedstand. My little lip mask. So I'm happy for that. Then the next thing I got is from Rare Beauty Selena Gomez makeup line. It's, I want to say this is like a illuminator for like your cheeks. Oh, this is beautiful. This is a big, it seems so big though. Like normally they come smaller, but this is beautiful and I definitely will be using this. I probably maybe put some on my eyes for like eyeshadow as well, but very excited for that. The next thing I got is from Huda Beauty. It has a skincare line. It's called Wishful. So I got the Thirst Trap Serum, which you guys know I'm not always happy to get skincare, but you know, at least I get to try her stuff because I have a lot of her products because I've done like so many of her makeup mystery bundles that she does. I stopped doing them now because like the last couple of times I was getting played in those mystery bundles. I'm not even going to get into it. If you guys want to see the drama with that, I'll link those videos down below with her mystery bundles. But I will not be doing no more of her mystery bundles. But it was nice while it lasted, when it was good, when she first started doing them. And then afterwards, she was getting kind of comfortable. So I won't be doing those anymore. But I got a lot of her stuff now, but not a lot of her skincare. So I will be trying this out. It says it has HA3 and peptide serum, hyaluronic acids, peptides, aloe vera, hollyhock rose, aloe vera, peptides, rose, tresemme. So it sounds like some good stuff is in here. And then the only other thing that I wasn't excited for was this clay mask by Sela. So it says exfoliates, deep cleans, revealing softened tone, radiant skin. You guys know how I am about when I get skincare products. I don't know, maybe I'll try it. It's just I have so many masks and skincare stuff. It's just like, I don't know if I'm ever going to be able to use everything, but this is what it looks like that I got. I love like the packaging. It looks very galactic. But I just have so much skincare that it's like, makeup, I don't mind it. You could use, I feel like at least I can still use it. Like every day I do wear makeup every single day, but skincare, I'm not going to use 5 different moisturizers every single day. Not even for the whole month. I like to use like the same moisturizer serum for like a whole, at least a month or 2, so I can see if it actually works. So I can't be mixing and using this serum this day, then tomorrow use that serum. Like my face would break out. Anybody's face would break out. That's not good for your skin, and you're not gonna know what's working or not. So that's why I want to finish what I have, and then I'll be happy. I'll be ecstatic to get more skincare. But for the time being, less skincare, please. But that's everything I got. So it was this serum, it was the clay mask, it was the lip mask, it was the illuminator, it was this beautiful eyeshadow palette, it was this mascara, it was this lipstick, and the PMD cleanser, what do you call this? Smart facial cleansing device. I also have the Mia. I feel like the Mia, which is like the smaller version of the Clarisonic, I feel like it cleans your skin more because it's an actual brush. Like when I'm using this, I'm like, is it really doing anything? But I mean, I got it in one of my boxes, so I'll use it, or maybe not, because I used that thing I think like once. But nevertheless, what did you guys think? I wanted to get the fragrance. Now, I don't like the smell of vanilla, and I want to say like all of her fragrances do smell like vanilla, but I just love like the bottle. Like this was the bottle of her fragrance. K.L.E. I think it's called K.L.E. This is it right here. I really wanted to get the bottle. Even if I didn't use it, I thought it would be cool to have it like on my vanity, but I'm not gonna buy it just to buy it. Also, I already have the balm already. I got it in one of my mystery boxes, and I've got the cleanser as like in a packet sample. I have the setting powder. That green palette would have been nice for fall. But yeah, I'm nevertheless, for the most part, I am happy. I would say the things that I'm super excited the most to try are obviously the makeup items, these 4 things here. So it was worth it to me. I mean, $50. I definitely got my money's worth and more. But like sometimes it's better like if you just spend your $50 buying what you want, because you know, I probably would have picked maybe a different shade of this, or maybe not got this and got something else. The palette I definitely would have got, because this is beautiful and I love myself in purples. So, but I'm going to use everything for the most part. I think the only thing I'm not going to use is that cleansing device. What did you guys get? Let me know in the comments down below what you guys got in your Glam Bag X. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you. And I'll see you guys all in my next video.